Founded in 1974, now VIGLACERA Corporation has 38 subsidiaries and more than 9,300 employees. With 45 years of experience in the market, Viglacera Corporation is proud to be the leading company in the real estate and construction material industry. In both sectors, Viglacera has always maintained its leading position as well as gained impressive achievements. Viglacera produces most types of construction materials in Vietnam and has been a pioneer in investment development, applying the latest advanced technology in production. Many of Viglacera's products, such as building glass, ceramic and granite tiles, sanitary ware, and shower faucets, terracotta, and clay tiles are widely used throughout the country, taking place of imports and exporting to more than 40 countries around the world. Viglacera has held a position in both the domestic and international real estate markets with three major product groups: urban and residential areas, trade centers and offices, and industrial parks. Viglacera's 12 urban and residential projects, with a total area of 386 hectares, focus on landscape and greenery planning, creating a clean and close-to-nature environment. In addition to fresh parks and lakes, residents are also provided with other facilities, such as kindergarten, supermarket, restaurant, and tennis court. Viglacera has 3 residential complexes, trade centers, and offices for lease, with a total area of 5.64 hectares. With nearly 20 years of experience, Viglacera has developed 12 industrial parks with a total area of 4,065 hectares throughout the country. These parks have become reliable destinations for local and foreign investors. Focusing on sustainable development and the improvement of experience and operation quality, Viglacera has cooperated with big names around the world, such as Sankai, NSG Group, Von Ardin, and Gaikon, to exchange and learn from their experiences and apply international standards in manufacturing to provide the best quality products. Viglacera has developed 12 industrial parks with a total area of 4,065 hectares. In Bắc Ninh Province, Tiên Xuân Industrial Park, Yên Phong Industrial Park, Yên Phong 2C Industrial Park, Tuan Dang Industrial Park. In Phu Tho Province, Phu Ha Industrial Park. In Hà Nam Province, Dong Van 4 Industrial Park. In Hưng Yên Province, Yên Mi Industrial Park. In Thái Bình Province, Tiên Hai Industrial Park. In Quang Ninh Province, Dong Mai Industrial Park, Hai Yên Industrial Park. In Tua Tinh Huế Province, Phong Dien Industrial Park. In Republic of Cuba, Vimaril Economic Zone. Tiên Xuân Industrial Park, Bắc Ninh Province, located between the National Highway 1A and 1B, 22 kilometers from Hanoi, 35 kilometers from Noi Bai International Airport. Tiên Xuân Industrial Park is a model for others in the north of Vietnam to follow. Now it is the destination for over 100 great brands such as Canon, Sumitomo, Ariston, Yên Phong Industrial Park, Bắc Ninh Province. Located on National Highway 18, just 22 kilometers from Noi Bai International Airport, Yên Phong Industrial Park, an urban area complex, is a symbol of industrial development and environmental protection. It has attracted great FDI flows from many big brands such as Samsung, Orion, Intops, Mobase, which has contributed to making Bắc Ninh into one of the top 10 provinces with the highest FDI. The project helped Viglacera win the Best Industrial Park Developer Award in Vietnam. Yên Phong 2C Industrial Park, just 20 kilometers from Noi Bai International Airport, 34 kilometers from Hanoi, which is right next to Yên Phong Industrial Park. This industrial park has the total area of 221 hectares, is expected to inaugurate in 2019, and will have available land for lease within the same year. Yên Phong 2C Industrial Park promises to be a new attractive destination for investors. Tuan Thang Industrial Park, Bắc Ninh Province. Located near Hanoi, Tuan Thang Industrial Park, with an area of 250 hectares, is on schedule to be constructed in 2020 and will become a destination of investment in the north in the upcoming time. Phu Hai Industrial Park, Phu Tho Province. Close to Noi Bai, Lao Cai Highway, Phu Hai Industrial Park, with an area of 350 hectares, has been a destination for many big brands, such as Masuoka, Elmis, and Jawa. It is easy to travel to other neighboring provinces and is adjacent to an area of abundant labor force and low labor cost. Dong Van 4 Industrial Park, Hanam Province. 50 kilometers from Hanoi, Dong Van 4 Industrial Park, with an area of 600 hectares, meets the demand of transportation by connecting highway and seaports, offering a convenient investment environment and abundant labor force. Yên My Industrial Park, Hung Yên Province. Located between National Highway 5A and 5B, 30 kilometers from Hanoi, 45 kilometers from Noi Bai International Airport, with an area of 280 hectares, will have available land for lease in 2019. Dien Hai Industrial Park, Dai Binh Province. With a total area of 466 hectares, the Coastal Highway project, which is expected to be completed in 2022, will shorten the distance between the industrial park and Hai Phong Seaport to only 40 kilometers. Dien Hai Industrial Park is located in the Coastal Economic Zone. Therefore, investment enterprises will enjoy the incentives of corporate income tax. The industrial park, with an estimated gas output of over 200 million cubic meters of natural gas per year, is the best choice for enterprises using large and stable natural gas. Dong Mai Industrial Park, Quang Ninh Province. With an area of 168 hectares, Dong Mai Industrial Park is just 35 kilometers from two of the largest seaports in the north, Hai Phong and Cai Lum. Therefore, Dong Mai Industrial Park is the best choice for sea import-export enterprises. Haiyan Industrial Park, Quang Ninh Province. Located near the border of Vietnam, China, Haiyan Industrial Park, with an area of 182 hectares, is very convenient to trade goods. With advantages of the economic zone along the Mong Khai border gate, investors in Haiyan Industrial Park will have the highest incentives of corporate and personal income tax and low cost of available land for lease. Phong Dien Industrial Park in Giới Province, with an area of 284 hectares. Phong Dien Industrial Park is 35 kilometers from Giới City, 50 kilometers from Phu Bai Airport, and 70 kilometers from Chiang Mai Seaport. Industrial Park is located in an area with abundant natural resources. Investors have many special tax incentives from the government. Therefore, Phong Dien Industrial Park is an ideal place for building material production and textile enterprises. Vimaril Economic Zone, Republic of Cuba. Located in a prime location, which is 5 kilometers from TC Mariel Deep Water Port, Vimaril Economic Zone will be a potential investment destination for investors whose products and services are aimed at the Central American market. Situated within Mariel Special Development Zone, enterprises here will be exempted from corporate income tax for the first 10 years and get other special offers, as well as receive great support from the Cuban government. Inaugurated in 2018, Vimaril is the first Vietnamese economic zone in Cuba, marking the determination to expand into the international market of Viglacera. With nearly 20 years of experience in the field of industrial park investment, Viglacera is known as one of the most prestigious investors in the North and a reliable partner to more than 300 companies from many countries. All Viglacera's industrial parks are strategically located in the region's key economic development zone, close to the main traffic routes. In terms of technical infrastructure and services, Viglacera's industrial parks are synchronously invested. This makes them an ideal destination for local and foreign investors. With professional staff, Viglacera is willing to advise and assist investors to complete the investment procedures quickly and effectively. In the future, Viglacera will continue to strive, conquer, and dedicate, because we always keep in mind, success of investors is also ours.